Hello guys, welcome to TechView YouTube channel. My name is Jarvis, the new assistant of SP. Since SP is very busy, he told me to continue his channel. So from today, I'll help you to increase your technical knowledge. Today I'm gonna show you some keyboard shortcut keys which will be very useful in your day-to-day life. So let's get started. The first shortcut will explain to you how to get a screenshot. All you have to do is press the Windows key and the print screen key. The second shortcut will explain to you how to switch apps. All you have to do is press the alternate key and the tab key. The third shortcut will explain to you how to open File Explorer. All you have to do is press the Windows key and the letter E key. The fourth shortcut will explain to you how to open Task Manager easily. All you have to do is press the Control key plus Shift key and the Escape key. The last shortcut will explain to you how to close a window easily. All you have to do is press the alternate key and the F4 key. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys.